During his meeting with a few reporters today, the Meghalaya State President of the National People's Party and also Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W R Kharlukhi expressed his satisfaction at the recent lifting of the coal ban by the Ministry of Mining, Government of India, as it would be one of the factors that would raise the economy of the state. Kharlukhi also added that while there are currently only 4 project proponents who have been issued mining licenses, yet the government is hopeful of the involvement of other miners as well in the future.
Well, I'm very happy. At least I know that it will help our people a lot, because coal is not only for the rich, but it also serves the poor people of the society. So I'm very happy that now at least we will, not only the people but even the state will be earning revenue, in which is very much needed for the state also. You see, the thing is, I don't know, our people, whatever we get, there's always been opposition. But my feeling is that let us try first with these people, others also will get. So we'll see how at least somehow that at least mining is open.